Golden flaky gooey. These Cuban guava pastries are pure magic and they're easier than they look. Start with guava paste. I like the Iberia brand because it melts perfectly and tastes delicious. Slice it into 1/4-inch pieces. Make sure you use your sharpest knife so it's easy to cut. Give your pastry a couple of gentle rolls. This is optional as it helps the dough not rise so high for these specific pastries. Stack your sheets and cut them into 9 even rectangles. A pizza cutter works great, or press straight down with a knife so you don't stretch the dough. Place a slice of guava in the center. You can add a little vegan cream cheese for variation. Leave a small border so you can seal the edges. If you want, you can let the guava go all the way to 2 sides and only seal 2 sides. A little oozing out of the sides is fine, and many Cuban bakeries do this. It's caramelized gold and looks delicious. Top each one with another dough slice. Crimp with a fork and poke a few holes so steam can escape. Then brush with oat or soy milk and sprinkle a little sugar on top. If you find your dough heated up too much, chill your pastries for about 10 to 15 minutes to keep the dough flaky. Then bake it around 400 degrees for about 20 minutes until golden and puffy. While they bake, make a simple syrup, just sugar and water, and brush it on as soon as they come out. That's what gives them that glossy, bakery-style finish. Let them cool for a few minutes because the filling's basically lava. You now have a flaky, sticky, and sweet, perfect pastelito. Find the full recipe at nutsandtwigs.com.